Yeah.
Hello everyone, this is Name with Family Travel Africa. I'm here with Azee and Azah. So today we're going to try to make some almond croissants. I have two helpers here. We have gotten almond croissants from Starbucks a couple of times and I absolutely love them. I understand it's always better when we make it at home. So Azee, you say you don't remember what it tastes like, right? So it's going to be a first time treat for you. And Azah, you looking forward to this?
Yes, I don't know what it tastes like.
So we're gonna all find out what it tastes like. I know what it tastes like. I know what to expect. So this is a very basic recipe. We have an almond syrup we're going to make, and then we have the filling, and that's made with some almond flour and sugar and all that great stuff. And then, we will be using the croissants, to infuse the almond into it. And then it goes in the oven for a little bit, and we are ready to enjoy a treat. You guys ready to get started?
Yeah!
Let's do it. Azah's getting started with the filling, and she has in here 1 cup of almond flour. And we're gonna add some sugar, some water, some butter, some eggs, but first some salt. And Azah is gonna be walked through this process. So in here is our almond flour, just 1 cup, right, Azah? And you've got 1/8 of teaspoon of salt, 1/8. So we're gonna go ahead and add that now. So we'll add that to the almond flour. And then you can grab the 1/2 cup of sugar. And we're going to add our 1/2 cup of sugar to the flour.
That's a lot of sugar.
It is. It's going to be some sweet almonds. So Azah, on low speed, can you get that mixing? Just go ahead and start it on the first level. Yeah. Good job. And so once we've mixed up all those dry ingredients, we'll add our butter to it. Just 1 stick of butter, room temperature. So Azah has that 1 stick of butter in there, and she's just blending it away. Good job, Azah. So Azah, you've done a really good job of getting that butter incorporated. And so we're going to add our eggs, Azah, 1 at a time.
Mama,
You need a little break? All right, let's take a break. So Azah is taking a break from the mixer, and she's going to add the eggs 1 at a time. 1 egg. Perfect. And I'll do the mixing. Good job, Azah. This is what our filling is going to look like. I really like it. It's nice and creamy, smooth. Haven't tasted it, but we're ready to put it on that croissant. Azah, are you ready to make the syrup?
Yes.
So we are going to start with a cup of water. So you're going to pour the cup of water in your saucepan. Pretty carefully. Nice. So you had a hot saucepan there. And now you're going to add sugar. So it's going to be 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And you make sure you're stirring, right? So you got to stir it. So we're making the syrup still, and we're just going to add, you can add vanilla or rum to make the syrup, and just keep stirring. All right, Azah, good job. I'm happy you're staying safe. Looks like the syrup is almost done. We're going to let it cool, and it's going to thicken up. Okay, so we're going to stop here and let it cool, and then we'll get back to our almonds. All right, Azza?
Okay.
So these are store-bought croissants. And you want croissants that are about a day old. And these are multigrain, so we try to be healthy if we can, but they still smell pretty fresh. And I'm just going to use a serrated knife, and we're going to cut through just like if we're making a sandwich.
Like a honey sandwich.
Yep. And we're going to lay it just like that. And we have 8 of these, so we're going to do this 8 times.
That's a lot.
That's a lot until you start eating them. How many do you think you can eat?
8.
So that's not a lot then, because there's other people who got to eat, right?
Yeah.
The great thing is, right now, we're a family of 8, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what that means is, if the baby could eat one, everyone would get one.
But the baby doesn't have teeth.
So the baby can't eat one.
And he's a baby, so he has to breast milk.
Just breast milk for now.
And now, but he can still eat it because the bread is in the breast milk.
Lucky baby. All right, so we're just going to keep slicing these, and in a little bit I'll show you what I got going here on the baking sheet.
2 more to go.
2 more to go, Bubba. And after this one, 1 more to go. Oops. There we go.
Don't cut the head.
I didn't know croissants have heads.
Mama, you know what I mean?
I know what you mean. So you can see what we have here. These are all sliced open croissants. We're going to dip them in the syrup first, and then we're going to use our filling right here, right, Azza? And we'll put them in the oven at 350 for 15 minutes, and then we'll have some nice toasty filled, sweet, buttery croissants.
Almond.
That's right, almond croissants. First thing I'm going to do, that's just the first croissant. So Azza's covering it up with our filling. What do you think, Azza? Looks good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So good.
And we'll just do one side, and we'll close it up, and we'll put it on the top, just like I showed you with that one over there. Then we'll cover it with our almonds. Good job, Mangi. Nice. Close it.
Oh, I thought you do on the other side.
And then you'll put it on top, and then you'll cover it with your almonds.
Okay.
Okay? So you just go ahead and put those on there.
Put it the other way because
Doesn't have to be perfect,
because nobody is perfect.
Nobody is perfect. We just try to do the right thing, right, Azza?
Mm-hmm.
All right, Azza, how many almonds are you going to put on there? No, you don't have to do that. Not all of them. You love almonds that much?
Really?
Not really, so don't do that. Great, I think it looks wonderful. Awesome. These are going in the oven now. Fresh out the oven. What'd you call this one? Unicorna. Okay, and is that what you call yours?
Daddy did flowers.
Daddy what?
Daddy was.
Daddy Walrus. All right. Okie dokie. No, we're gonna have Unicorn and Daddy Walrus. So it's supposed to go crunch when you bite into it. Let's see if it does that. Ready?
Okay.
Oh, I saw you had a great crunch. That's awesome. Is it still hot?
Mm-hmm.
Not too hot. Awesome. Okay, Azette, you're having Daddy Walrus. Let's see how he sounds. Even with your front teeth missing, you still got a crunch.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Pretty amazing. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
I can't wait to try mine.
Mm-hmm.
These two tell me these almond croissants are very good. I can't wait.
Better than regular croissants.
Definitely better than regular croissants. Question is this Starbucks worthy or even better?
Even better.
Mmm. So good.
Good. Is it even better?
It is better. Not as sweet, but better.
Yeah.
You should have
It's better than a hot
more
dog.
of these because it's not as sweet.
We should have this every day for breakfast.
Every day for breakfast, you said?
Yeah.
Azad, what do you think?
This is good. It's healthy. It's so
Well,
good.
it's not the healthiest thing, but oh well.
It's good than
Really good.
a hot dog.
Thumbs up. Good job, guys.
Like my wheel. Yes, you do. Just